As you can see on the screen, Google shows me digital camera related ads and related search results as well. Now I will talk about different ads. Like these are the shopping ads in the right side, and there will be search and ads and needs to like yeah, these are the search ads that you can see on the screen. Apple.com and it's showing iPhone SE ad search ads, and they need to be these are the right side display ads. These types of ads are search ads, and right side ads are shopping ads. In shopping ads, you can show image image, and you can show product image, you can show your product title, description, price, and brand name as well. Now you can understand as well how AdWord auction works. Like you are bidding for a particular keyword. Like I am bidding for iPhone 8. Let's take an example, iPhone 8, and I am putting iPhone 8 bidding like $1, and my quality score will be defined by my ads and keywords and landing page relevancy. That means my quality score defines my ad rank, and ad rank defines my ad position and my cost to particular that click as well. And like your competitor has a low quality score, and that is bidding on more amount of a bid. That means he is promoting to more one upper ad position as well. And now we will talk about how targeting and budget control works. Like how budget management and targeting works in Google Ads. Now you can see I have created this campaign. In that I have set the budget to 500, and now you can see there will be one ad group, and in that ad group there will be multiple keywords. Like these are the keywords, and for these keywords I am bidding amount I think I have set up the bidding strategy to maximize clicks. Yeah, I can see on the screen. Now let's talk to now you can see in the campaign setting, that is the bidding, and that is the bidding strategy. Like I am paying for Google to maximize my conversions as per my according to budget. And I am targeting language, Hindi and English, location India, network search, network and search partners. And these are the end date you can set up, and in advanced setting you can track the conversions from your setting up the conversion. And for conversion setup and tag we will talk about in next videos. And that is the ad rotation strategy. That means you can select optimize ad rotation strategy, you can select indefinitely rotation strategy, you can pay optimize for conversions, you can rotate evenly. Like these are not the supported ad rotation strategy. I will prefer go with optimize. Like I will create 2 to 3 ads, and in which those 2 to 3 ads Google Ads will optimize best performing ads to show to the right audience. And that is how targeting and budget control works. Now we will talk about structure of account, like how we need to structure our campaign, how we need to structure our account as well. And for that we need to discuss, like this is the one campaign. For we will talk about the search campaign. This is the one campaign, website traffic campaign, in which you can create at least 2 ad groups, or in one ad group you need to create at least 2 to 3 keywords as well. That is the best strategy. And for each targeting, each location, you need to create different campaigns. Like if I am targeting for USA, then I will need to create a different campaign for USA. And if I am targeting for India, that means I need to create a different campaign for India. And that is the best strategy to use 2 to 3 minimum keywords, 2 to 3 ad groups, and in each ad group we need to create 2 to 3 ads as well. And this is the one example demo campaign, like this is the example of demo campaign. Okay, now this is like how we need to structure our campaign. Now we need to discuss about search versus display, like which campaign type we have to select. For that totally depend upon your goal as well, like where you're targeting, where your audience is. Like if I'm looking for digital camera, it can be presented on search network, that your audience can be land to your website with your search results, search ads as well, that can land to your website with display campaign as well, that can land to your website with shopping campaigns as well. That mean if I'm targeting for leads campaign, that mean I need to create search campaign. Or if I am my goal is perfectly specific for each type of business, like lead generation, then we need to create search campaign with call campaigns, call only ads as well. You can create that as well. Like if you are having client and you need to generate lead for your client, you can create search campaign with call only ads as well. You can create search campaign with lead ad extension as well. That we need lead ad extension. Audience will your client your search user will fill up the form, name, email, phone number, and all the details, and that will submit to your email ID and your AdWords campaign. If you talk about like my client consideration, my client or goal is to brand awareness or brand promotion or rapport management, or like I'm not specifically targeting for sales, I'm not specifically targeting for like leads, then you can go for display campaigns as well. Like in display campaigns, it is considered that you are getting goal for brand awareness, like you are awareing your audience about your ads, about your business, about your services and all that. For display you can go with YouTube, and you can go with image ads as well. For display campaigns, it can be specific targeting if you have already generated some traffic with your search campaign or any other advertising method like Facebook ads, and then you can retarget that traffic to display campaigns to the right audience, and you can generate similar audience as well. We will talk about later about these display and its separate informations about in later videos. Now this was the first video in which we have talked about what is Google Ads, how AdWord auction works, and how targeting and budget control works, and how we can structure our account campaigns and ads, and which type of campaign type we have to select, and some terminologies I have already told you, like CPC, ECPC, TCPC, CTR, impressions, view, and all that. Now let's go to the second video.